Hello, good morning. Andito po kami sa 168 and we're going to unbox Taurus G3 na Odg. So thank you again, Links, for processing. Open natin. Ooh, what's inside the box? Here. See? So again, simple lang. Umpisahan natin. Are you ready? So here, let's see. Ayan siya. Tanan! Ang ganda-ganda rin niya. Looks like, di ba parang sabi nila dupe daw to ng Glock 19. So, again, safety first, chamber clear. Walang magazine. Okay. Baba muna natin siya. So, it comes with 2 magazines. Oops! Magkaiba yung bilang niya. Bakal siya, oh. Sa Glock kasi it's plastic. The other one is 17 rounds. And the other one is 15 rounds. Okay, magkaiba. Balik na natin siya. Yan. It also comes with a loader. There, again, sa mga nahihirapan mag-load gamit ang kamay. Comes with a cleaning brush. Wala nang rod. Magkasama na siya. All-in-one na siya. And syempre, it also has registration. And the safety manual. So again, this is binabasa. Hindi siya display. Balik na natin. Yan. So, ito-try natin siyang i-fire for handling. I-break in din natin siya today. Break in na natin.
Okay na?
Okay.